So question number 1, explain 5 advantages of observation as a method of data collection. And then B, the table below shows the marks of 50 applicants in aptitude test. You calculate the mean, median, and the mode. So number 1, you need to create this table here, which is having the CI. So CI is the class boundary. We have 11 and 20. We have 21 and 30. We have 31 and 40 successively. And then number 2, you are having your F, which is the frequency. So we're having 4, 5, 9, the same as here, 4, 5, 9, 11, 10, and 7, and 4. And then we have X. This is how we get our X. So you do X is equal to, you get the value, which is 11 plus 20. You get it here, 11 plus 20. So it is 11 plus 20 over 2, which is equal to 31 over 2, which is equals to 15.5. So the value of X at the first row is 15.5, which is here. And then after that, you do the calculation successively for the value of 21, 30, 31, 40, 41, 50 successively. And then you get your Fx. So the Fx is equals to the product of F times X. Are we together? And then the class boundaries. This is the lower class boundary, and this one is the upper class boundary. So it is 10.5. And we have 20.5, and then we have the cumulative frequency, which is 4 plus 5, 9, and then 9 plus 9, which is equals to 18. So 18 plus 11, which is equals to 29, and then 29 plus 10, which is equals to 39, successively as you continue. So to get our mean value, the mean value you get is as a summation of Fx over summation of F. So when you talk about summation of F, you're talking about this value, the total of this column, which is 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 10 plus 7 plus 4, which is equals to 50. And then you repeat the same for Fx, which is 62.0 plus 127.5 plus 319.5. Successively, you will get 23.25. So you do summation of A, which is 23.25 divided by 50. And then for the median value, number 1 and number 2, for the median value, you get that it is the formula of getting the median is Li over plus N divided by 2 minus Fc, which is the cumulative frequency, over Fm plus C. There is elaboration where we get that the Li is the lower class boundary of the median class. So the median class here, it is N over 2, which is equals to 50 over 2, which is equals to 25. So the median class lies within the cumulative value 29 here, because 18 is less than 25. So the median value, the lower class boundary of the median value, it is 40.5. And then number 2, N is the total frequency, and then Fc, it is the cumulative frequency before the median class. So when you come here, you get that the cumulative frequency before the median class, it is 29, which is the median, but the cumulative frequency before it we get is 18. That's why we put here 18. And then we have the frequency of the median class. Fm is the frequency of the median class. So when you come here, you get that the median class is here. So the frequency of the median class, it is 11. That's why we put here 11. And then the class width is. Class width is, yeah, we got it as 10. As 10. Okay. So when you calculate your value, you'll get that the median is 46.9. And then the modal value is the formula LO plus DI. DI means delta 1 over delta 1 plus delta 2 times the C. So another elaboration, you get it at this point for the models. So D1, when you talk about D1, or delta 1 here, delta 1, you're talking about the difference between the frequency of the model class, the frequency of the model class. So the model class is which appears at the highest number, which is 11. So this one becomes the model class. So the frequency of the model class here, it is 11 minus the frequency of the class before it. The frequency of the class before it, it is the frequency of class before it, it is 9. So minus 9, which is equals to 2. So that's why we get our value here as 2. And then we have delta 2, which is the difference between the frequency of the model class, it was 11, and the frequency of the class after it, it was 10. That's why we get our value as 1. As 1 here. And then you calculate and you get, after the substitution of the value, you get that your answer is 47.2. Okay, this is the question, and the answers are within you here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned.